Tired of endless scrolling to find what you want on your Samsung Smart TV? Your voice is the key to unlocking a world of entertainment. This tutorial will guide you step by step on how to activate and master voice search on your Samsung Smart TV, making navigation and content discovery a breeze. First, let's get your remote ready. Most Samsung Smart TVs with voice control come with a remote featuring a built-in microphone. Press and hold the microphone button on your remote. The TV will typically display a prompt to begin setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate your TV's voice assistant. This might involve a simple test of your microphone. Ensure your TV is within a reasonable range of your remote for optimal voice recognition. Once activated, simply press and hold the microphone button on your remote and start speaking your command. For example, to find a movie, you can say, "Search for Dune," or "Play The Mandalorian." Voice search isn't just for content. You can also use it to navigate your TV. Try saying, "Go to YouTube" to open the app directly, or open Netflix to launch your favorite streaming service. You can even control playback, saying things like "Pause" or "Next episode." Want to adjust settings? You can try commands like increase volume or turn off TV. This voice control feature significantly enhances accessibility and makes your TV experience more intuitive. Practice with a few commands to get the hang of it. Your Samsung Smart TV is now a more interactive and user-friendly entertainment hub, all thanks to the power of your voice. Enjoy effortless control.